Tumbler is a type of drinking vessels. It is often characterized by its flat bottom and lack of handle or stem. They come in various sizes and materials. These include plastic, glass, and stainless steel to suit different beverages and purposes. While the word tumbler can have various connotations such as gymnast or a part of a lock, in this context, it specifically refers to the container used for drinking.
So ayan guys, nandito nga pala kami sa arcade. And ayan, nagpapapalit na nga ng token na kasama namin. Tignan niyo naman po yung mga ang kulit sa likod. Oo, yan sila po mamaya panigurado. Buti na lang may dala-dala kami tumbler. At alam niyo ba, that it's highly versatile and can be used for both hot and cold beverage. They are ideal for water, coffee, tea, smoothies, and more. Made from various materials, tumblers are durable and can be withstand everyday wear and tear. It is also designed for on-the-go use, making them perfect for commuting, traveling, or just running errands.
Grabe, tingnan nyo naman kung gaano ka matagal maglaro ng basketball. Kahit na malamig dito sa arcade, nakakauhaw pa rin talaga. Buti na lang, napamanatili ang tumbler na to yung temperature sa loob kahit na ilang oras pa ang abutin. In fact, this is important for their ability to keep drink at desired temperatures. Their probability and their contribution to sustainability, making them sustainable for various activities and lifestyle. Additionally, tumbler are often reusable, reducing the need for disposable cup and minimizing environmental impact.
Tingnan nyo naman tong sila, mga walang dalang bag panglagayan ng gamit. Buti na lang itong dala naming tumbler is far more than just a convenient for holding a drink. From keeping beverage at the right temperature to offering eco-friendly, customizable, and durable drinkware solution. Tumbler provide convenience and functionality in everyday life, whether you need them for personal use, gifting, or promotional purposes. Personalized tumblers offering versatility that caters a wide range of needs.
Tara, samahan niyo kaming magkantahan. Pero bago yan, are you all aware that the use of tumbler is a simple yet powerful way to contribution to sustainable future? By reducing reliance on single-use plastic, saving money and promoting environmentally friendly habits, tumblers represent a practical solution to some of today's pressing environmental challenges. As more people adopt the debate of using reusable containers, the collective impact can lead to a cleaner, healthier planet for future generations.
Echoing the use of desert sunset, this tumbler is the travel companion like no other. 20 ounce, double-walled, your cold drinks stay chilly and your hot drinks stay steamy. Stay hydrated.